Science is wrong, the laws are broke, a joke on a scale that makes you choke. A permafrost sea miles deep below, where no frozen ocean should ever flow. The silence here is a physical weight, a prelude to a frozen fate. This permafrost paradox, this beautiful life beneath the relentless white sky. The MAGNITE'S slumbers, the UMANIT'S sleeps in caverns where the cold wind sweeps. A world of ice on a planet's bone, a frozen The blizzard's breath, a biting sigh, as heat and hope begin to die. Each step I take, the ice does groan on this throne of rock. I walk alone, the fauna's gaze, a cold intent on survival, fiercely bent. This permafrost